Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge says both leaders will be called to Delhi soon. Of course, both leaders in the state say no dates have been given to them. The BJP is not just watching from the sidelines. It says it's considering it will bring a no confidence motion if the crisis deepens, and that would add to the pressure for the Congress. The big question, can the Congress High Command resolve this Karnataka crisis, or is there an apprehension that inaction or delayed action may lead to a repeat of what happened in Madhya Pradesh, or trouble in Punjab earlier, or Rajasthan, with the next-gen leadership getting frustrated? We get you more in this report. Sagai Raj gets you this report.
A secret pact, a battle for the coveted throne, two protagonists, two warring camps, and a public slugfest that refuses to die down. It may sound like the latest season of Bigg Boss, but this drama is unfolding in Karnataka's political arena, with the Congress party caught in the crossfire. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy D.K. Shivakumar, once billed as the perfect power duo, are now locked in a clash. It is as if they are squabbling siblings desperate for parental approval, and that parent is the Congress High Command. The Game of Thrones has reached its boiling point. The finale is here, but who will be the winner is anyone's guess. Neither the Siddaramaiah camp nor the D.K. Shivakumar camp is willing to blink, but sides are firing public statements like warning shots, hoping to corner the High Command. And now the Chief Minister's own son has jumped into the arena, declaring that Siddaramaiah must continue for the remainder of the government's 5-year term.
ಈಗಂತೂ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗಂತೂ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಿ MLA ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂತೂ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೂರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಗರಣ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, MLAಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
On the other side, D.K. Shivakumar has been dropping hints on social media, each one seen as a pressure tactic.
ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗೇನು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಮಾತು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾತು ಆಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೇ ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಪವರ್. ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಜಡ್ಜಿ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡಲಿ, ನಾನು ಕೊಡಲಿ, ನೀವು ಕೊಡಲಿ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಮಾತಾಗಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್.
The High Command maintains that both leaders will be called and spoken to in the capital.
मैं इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करता हूं, तो इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करने के बाद निर्णय होगा.
D.K. Shivakumar maintains he hasn't been summoned so far to Delhi.
I myself and CM, we both will discuss and we'll go. If they have called, they will go.
As you said, Christ.
Adding another twist to the script, Home Minister G. Parmeshwara has once again tossed his name into the Chief Minister's ring.
Having put in nearly 40 years of my political life, obviously you will be considered at various levels. High Command knows me very well.
The BJP, enjoying the show from sidelines up until now, is ready to enter this public feud. Sources say the party may move a no-confidence motion in the upcoming assembly session.
Is the BJP in Karnataka, is B.Y. Vijendra, who is the face of the BJP in Karnataka, looking at bringing a no-confidence motion against the Congress government?
Let's wait and watch for a couple of days how things will roll down. Then the party will take appropriate decision after consultation with our High Command.
The Congress High Command insists that this so-called November revolution will be settled before December. But the real question is, can they actually pull it off? Or will Karnataka's political thriller deliver yet another twist? Bureau Report, India Today.